Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to work on the assessment one and how to use Trello. In this assessment one, it will be about the project planning, requirement analysis and the user stories. And for this one, you will act as a product owner who is responsible for determining and managing the product backlog for the project. And you have to analyze the requirement, create the tasks, create the user stories, allocate the tasks within the 2 sprints. And to use Trello, you need to go to the Trello.com first, okay? And then you have to create a workspace here. Let's say I'm gonna create ITO 5136 course project, okay, for the 2024. And because we are going to develop a software project, the type should be about engineering and the IT, okay? Continue. You can invite your friends, your team member or whatever. Okay, I will do that later. And because Trello is a project management tool and there are lots of templates here, right? But there are too many to choose. To ensure that everything is aligned with what we teach, which is we're gonna have we are going to have the 5 lanes here. For the first one is the product backlog, and the product backlog can be anything: the tasks, the user stories, anything, right? And the features, okay, we can break down into things. And the sprint one are the things that we should do for the week 4 by week 4, and the sprint 2 are the things that we need to do by the week 6, okay? All right, so to create the Trello board within this this style, okay, we're gonna use this template, Amazing Kanban project management template here. And then once you click, you will have access to the template, and we are going to use the template here. And then we're gonna create the template board, ITO 5136 project management board. All right. Yep, the template is created, and then we're gonna customize the Trello board to be the same as the following image. So what I would do is, okay, we're gonna have the Trello board, okay, the original one on the left side, and we have what we need to do on the right side here. So we're gonna customize like this, product backlog, okay. And then we have sprint 1, which is week 4, and we will have sprint 2, which is due week 6. We have in progress, and then we don't need the review, so we just remove it, okay, and then done. All right, and then yep, okay, we don't need, okay, and yep, so you can update the description as well to make sure that it is the same, it is aligned with the title of the column here, okay. So we have backlog, sprint 1, sprint 2, and in progress, and then done. Over time, right? So, and then last step, we need to change the board visibility to public as well. And to do so, we're gonna click here. Yep, click here, click the people here, change the visibility to public. Yes, make the board public. Okay, so that means the teaching staff can access your board, and then they can do the marking as well. And now the next step is that we're gonna create the tasks and the user stories, right? The task must be clear, concise, actionable, written in the defined format. For example, like tasks like this, and what is the task name that you need to do, okay? It can be anything. And you are expected to write 6 tasks required to complete this assessment. And these tasks include product owner activities like project planning, tasks, user story creation. You can write anything that you need to do to complete in the sprint 1, okay? And then we're gonna look at the user story, okay? User story are like the feature. It must be clear, concise, actionable, and written in the defined format like this. The feature name, and then you have to write as a someone, okay, I want to do something so that I can get something, okay, and you must ensure that the backlog contains valuable user stories that are aligned with the product visions and the goal as well. This is based on the previous page, the project requirement, okay. And now you are expected to write 4 user story based on the 4 general features of the product as in the project requirement document, okay. And for each of the, let's say I'm gonna write a user story here as someone, I want to do something so that something, okay. And in the description here, we're gonna do the same thing, okay. Yep. And this one, you can put the type, okay. What is the feature name? Let's say shopping cart, okay. And within the cart here, you need to write the acceptance criteria. What are the steps to do, okay. And importance. So we're gonna look at the when we do the project management, we need to prioritize the task. So we need to prioritize the card in the backlog here, right? Based on the factors about, for example, the values, the risk, and the resource allocation, the stakeholder satisfaction as well. And then we're gonna use these values: critical, high, medium, or low, or which is reflect the Moscow framework, okay, must have, should have, could have, or won't have respectively, okay. So importance, I would say, yep, for importance we're gonna say, let's say must have. This is the feature that we need to do, all right. And please provide some justification as well, okay, why, okay, why this feature is must have, okay. Okay, yep. So over time, and then to access this one, item details, background work, prioritize, estimate. We need to estimate the task as well. So we're gonna authorize, okay, yes. These are the power up plugin for the Trello, okay. So once we authorize, we can change this one, update, whether we're gonna set it to critical, high, medium, or low. Maybe I should keep this consistent with the field below, okay, high, why this feature is high, okay. And then which team will work on this feature, all right, and who requests it. Over time, this is what you need to do, the task estimation, okay. So basically you need to estimate how many hours that are required to complete this task. Let's say 10 hours, and from the beginning it may be 0, right? Remaining should be 10, sorry. At the beginning the remaining should be 10. So the progress, there's no progress here, okay. Progress is 0%. And over time, once you complete it, okay, this is at the beginning. You submit create the report and show this one, right, to the in the project in the report. And then over time, once you move the card into the sprint 1 and the in progress or done, okay, then the remaining tasks may be getting less and getting less. Or once you have completed, okay, then you can move to done, right? So that means everything is completed. And then you can do this the same for the other card. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you.